magacaygu waxaa la Faisal Abdulrahman Geelle. I was one of the students Macalinka. If I tell you a little bit about my journey with Macalinka, horta marka hore Ilaahay fadligiisa ka bacdi Macalinka grades a lot of thanks from us. Wallahi waxyaalo badan oo noo qabtay, a lot of things that you can't imagine. We wouldn't be here without him, basically, in the IT field. So Macalinka deserves a lot. So can we clap for the Macalin, please, first? Macalin Abdallah didn't just create a school, he created a community. When I came here tonight, I met a lot of people that I knew, people I knew through the online world, like Ahmed Okalhadda. I'm going to tell you a little story about him in a second. I've never met him in my life. I've linked him in LinkedIn friends on Kunnahay, but he had a lot of things to do with Shaqla Sa'anuk Suhali wa Hansa Bilavi. So the first thing I knew about Macalin Abdallah, I was watching TV at home and I see an advert in one of the Somali channels. And it's like, yeah, global net, English computer, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, look at this. So, and the next thing, I Googled him, and there's videos, and there's YouTube, and then here pops up Mr. Ahmed. Mr. Ahmed is talking, yeah. Magaiga Ahmed, I work for Goldman Sachs. I'm like, what? Hold on. This Somali guy's telling me he works for Goldman Sachs, so there must be something to it. Goldman Sachs is a big American investment bank. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm a bit impressed. Goldman Sachs is doing a and then like, he got it through the school. So I must go and meet the Macalin anyway. So I went and met the Macalin like everyone knew. I'd done the courses, A+, Network Plus. Then I started looking for work. After I think my 4th or 5th course, I started applying for work. Alhamdulillah, shaqan. Ilahi for there, it was easy.